Oh crap, look at that. It's my tread wear indicator. That is not good, dude. Fuck. Check that back tire. Well, if the front's bad, I'm sure the back. Oh my god, there's nothing on there. Oh crap. That needs replaced. Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Night Climber. As you saw in the opening video, I need to replace the tires since the tread wear indicator is completely showing, and I don't even see the tread wear indicator on the back. I think I blew through it. So I'm glad I saw that yesterday when I was out riding. I'm glad I wasn't camping or taking all my camping stuff to go camping. I don't think it would have lasted the whole weekend. So this video is not a detailed video on how to change your tires. This is just more a general video. There's tons of videos out there, Fred Harmon, Cruise Man's Garage, others that are out on YouTube. So I'll just kind of show you in general what I do, and I'm sure we all do this because we all have to change our tires about every 10,000 miles. So my first set of OEMs, Bridgestones, lasted 10,000, just about 10,000 exactly. I replaced those last year. This year I only got like 8,700. I think that's because I've been camping a lot more this year. So the bike is just going to be heavier. So there's going to be more wear on the tires. So not happy that I'm not getting another 10,000 out of it, but happy that I was able to go camping and have fun. And even more happier that I didn't have a blowout somewhere. So we can change these tires now. So thanks for joining me. Let's get started. All right, so it's the next day. Strictly Dirt, the motorcycle shop that's going to swap out the tires for the wing. They called and said that they did receive them, so we're good to go. So I'm loading the wheels into the car at this point, and then we'll go over to Strictly Dirt and have that swap. Literally just got back from Strictly Dirt, so we have our new tires on our wheels. Wow, look at the look at the difference between these. The new one and then the old one for the front, and then the new one and the old one for the back. Wow, I'm gonna feel a lot safer on the new one. Okay, so now I'll put the wheels on the bike. You don't need to see me do that. It's just the reverse order of what we did before. So I'll get these on, and then we'll take a look at the brakes. So we have our wheels back on the bike. I feel a lot better now that the jack stands aren't just holding it up. It's a lot more solid. So let's take a look at those brakes. When I was putting the rear wheel on, a bunch of brake dust fell out. So I would imagine the rear one's going to be shot. So we'll have to replace that one. Well, we're going to replace them anyway. So it's a like I said, I got 10,000 miles on the first set of tires and another 8,700 on this last set. So we're about at the 20,000 mark. So those would, the brake pads would need replaced anyway. So I'm gonna do that for all of them, but we'll take a look and see how they look. So we have all our brake pads out of the calipers. I just laid it out here. Here's the back brakes. These are the old ones. I don't know if you can see that. They're pretty well worn compared to the new. You can see the difference there. And then on the front ones, significant here. Look how worn that is. So definitely time to replace these. They're almost down to that bottom of that notch. And then compare that to a new one. Obviously a lot bigger. So as you can see, there's a significant difference between the old brake pads and the new ones. Definitely time to replace those. They recommend 20,000 miles, or I tend to do it on my bikes every other tire change. So definitely this worked out. Glad we have the new pads. I'll put those in. No sense in watching me do that again. That's just the reverse of how we took them out. So thanks for joining me today. I hope this helped you. Again, I didn't go into detail. There's plenty of videos out there. Highly recommend watching those as well as the manual. But just wanted to show you just kind of the maintenance that is needed sometimes, and I'm glad I saw this earlier in the week, so we were able to take care of this. So now that we'll get the bike together, I hope to see you down the road. Thanks for joining me today.